Hi, I'm Jessica Bong, founder of Soodo, a Shopify website development studio in Singapore. I've helped business owners, from first-timers to seasoned brands with a huge team, build Shopify stores designed to turn visitors into loyal customers and increase their sales. With over 10 years of hands-on experience in e-commerce, I know exactly what works when it comes to solving the biggest technical issues that you can face on Shopify, helping you skip the guesswork and focus on your products and customers instead. Our complete 2 days Shopify Store Creation Workshop doesn't just teach you how to build a website, it gives you the confidence to start taking sales once you go live. This hands-on training program is designed to equip you, whether you are an aspiring or new online business owner, with the practical knowledge you need. Inside this comprehensive 2 days workshop, you will learn how to build a fully operational Shopify store from scratch. You'll also learn how to customize your landing page storefront to deliver an engaging user experience. You'll also master SEO optimized product listing strategies, configure seamless payment gateways and shipping workflows. You'll also leverage on Shopify Analytics to track performance and optimize sales. If you want to learn how to build and launch your own professional Shopify store from scratch, apply now to the Shopify Store Creation Workshop. See you there!